Welcome to this video, guys. In this video I'll show you how you can connect to a second router and how you can extend your TP-Link Wi-Fi router range. So I have these two routers here and I'm connected to the one that is TP-Link D5A4, and I want this router to connect to this router that is my main router to extend its range. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. Right now, as you can see, it is showing no internet secured. This means that I don't have any internet connection, so if I search, will not search successfully. So let's connect this router to the second router. Enter this 192.168.0.1 and you'll be greeted with this. Now if this is not working for you, try this 1.1 instead of 0.1. Okay, so one of these two will work for you and you will come back to this page. Here just enter your username and password. Normally the username and password are both admin and admin. If this is not working for you, check the backside of your router and your default username and password will be written there. Now here, what you can do is you can just click on quick setup and you'll be greeted with this. Click on next, and time zone, you can choose any time zone. I'll just choose Kathmandu. Click next. Here, what you want to do is you want to select range extender. Click next, and you can choose any region, it does not matter. I'll just choose United States. Now here you need to enter the name of the Wi-Fi to which you want to connect, so you can just scan. Now if your Wi-Fi is not visible, you will have to enter the Wi-Fi name and password manually, but we will scan and connect to one of these Wi-Fi networks. So I have these networks available to me, so I'll connect to this one. Okay, as you can see, signal strength is 55. That's not very high, it's actually kind of low. And just click on connect. Okay, and you need to enter the password here for this Wi-Fi. Okay, so enter the password. Okay, and now what you can do is you can change the Wi-Fi name here so that this router, that is the current router that you are connecting to the main router, will have a different name. So you can just write here my router or whatever, but a good practice is to leave it as it is so that you can automatically switch from this to this, and the transition from this to this is seamless, so that your Wi-Fi, your device can actually be connected to the best Wi-Fi signal. Okay, so if you change this to, let's say, new router or whatever, click on customize to change this. Okay, you change it like this. What will happen is when you come to a place that has more signal from this one, it will still be connected to this Wi-Fi name. So a good practice is to keep it same so that your device can seamlessly switch between the two. And now just click on next, click next again, and finally click on finish. So now let's wait and let's see what happens. So as you can see here, right now it is showing no internet. Now after a while it should show internet connection. Let's wait till this is complete. So now as you can see, you are connected to this network and it is showing full range. So this is the extended Wi-Fi name, and as you can see, earlier it was showing less signal, now it is showing full signal because it is connected to our secondary router. And now internet will also work. So this is how you can connect to a secondary router from your extended router and how you can extend Wi-Fi range. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below.